So I did not expect to do a video so soon with another Magnetify update because I just released one last week for you guys. But I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know that soon after I published that video about our 2-month update for Magnetify, I received an email from a representative of Kit, aka ConvertKit, wanting to discuss having Magnetify as an app on the Kit marketplace. And I told you guys this last week that we were actually building it and it should be out soon and everything else, but to actually have that validation from a representative of Kit who has looked at the software and who wants to jump on a call with me, that's absolutely amazing, considering the fact that I've used ConvertKit for years as a user for my businesses, right? And then on top of that, being one of the first softwares that are creating an app within the Kit ecospace, right? We had a call, right? So we had a call this past week, this past Monday, and I was able to talk to him about what we have done so far, what we have planned for the future. He was able to look at what we had done so far as the app and give us a little pointers on, what we should add, what we should change around. And so that's basically where we're at right now. So I'm super excited at the time of recording this video because after we got off the call, he actually is ready to have Magnetify published by the end of this week or early next week. So everything is moving at the speed of light right now for me. I had to submit some media and copy assets for the actual marketplace description and all that good stuff. And my developer is actually working on the technical details of things that we actually need done before it can be officially published. But I am so happy considering the fact that this is validation for me. When I think back about 8 months ago, when this was just like a dream, this was something that I wrote on paper and I was like really just thinking about it in my head. And then for me going through the steps of finding the developer, having to hire another developer, then going through the delays and everything else that has come up so far as, someone who is building a software from the ground up. And I told you guys that I would come on here and I would build in public. So you guys have seen where I had to change the developers. You guys have seen, the initial layout of Magnetify. You guys are right here seeing that we are about to have a major integration. And I really do think that this is going to change the trajectory for Magnetify for a couple of reasons. Because, Kit, or aka I have to keep saying ConvertKit because some people may not know that the name has changed, but they have over 500,000 users, right? They've been around since 2013 when a blogger actually created the software, Nathan Barry, and they've just grown and grown. And so I think this is amazing for Magnetify considering the fact that we are going to be one of the early softwares that is actually in the marketplace. And on top of that, this is a software that I use, so I will continue to use it, obviously. And on top of that is exposure. So when you think about how many people actually not only use ConvertKit, but are actually exposed to ConvertKit on a daily basis, that is a massive number. So I'm talking about all of the people who go in there and they email their subscribers and maybe they still have the ConvertKit or the Kit branding on their emails and someone's interested and they check out Kit and they can see the apps that are available on the public marketplace, right? So there's a couple of different marketplaces. So number one, there's gonna be like the public where they're showing people what apps are actually within Kit that you can actually install within Kit. And then as a Kit user, you are able to go into the marketplace and just immediately install whatever app you want to install. So for Magnetify, if you are a Magnetify user, what you're going to be seeing in the next week and a half or so is you're actually going to see an integration in your dashboard for Kit, okay? I have not actually updated anything as far as the instructions and the knowledge base or anything else like that, because there are a few little details that we need to change around before that is done. But you will probably see that way before I make an official announcement here on YouTube, okay? So if you are a Magnetify user, you will see that, and Kit app is going to be available for all 3 tiers. So it doesn't matter if you're on the starter tier all the way up to Pro Plus, you will have access to the Kit app if you are a Kit user, okay? So for those who do not have Magnetify yet, you will actually see that within Kit if you use Kit. So once everything is approved and everything's good to go, you will see Magnetify listed as an app in the Kit app marketplace, okay? So I just wanted to hop in here really quick to give you guys this update because I'm super excited that, this idea that I came up with, months ago, almost a year ago, is coming to life, and things are starting to move in the right direction. So with my last video, I said things are a little slow, and understandably it is, but now it just seems like everything is moving super fast and things have changed within the last couple days. But I'll keep you guys updated as soon as the integration and everything is live, and as soon as you can start sending those leads directly to Kit and vice versa, and embedding your lead magnets within your emails, I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next video.